Hi guys, today we are visiting Culzean Castle. This is the entrance. It's a very big entrance. So, oh. What sentry? So, I think this is Sarah and Lini, green and pink. Pity because there's no sun, but it's okay. Wow, so big. The castle is so big. I don't know this time if we'll go inside because it's busy day. I mean, we still have to go back to the hotel. Out to the... Why is that? Why is that? That's Culzean Castles. So big. Nick Mamas Manoy. It's the castle, the front of the castle. Culzean Castle. Honey, are we allowed to take video, no? Inside ba? We have to ask. Look at here too, of you. Shh. Denise. Denise. Daddy, 1, 2, 3. Tada. It's very dark. Ay, karagot. No sun. Very old building. I don't think we're allowed video inside. We'll see. We'll ask first. So we are inside the Culzean Castle. Wow. Denise. Denise, that is a fireplace. Fireplace. That's where Santa come down the chimney. Yeah, that one? Huh? Wow, very, very old. Very old. Who is that? Nice, no? You can sit. It's a tiny chair, no? Cute. can sit. Wow.
Look at the cutters.
Old, no?
Oh, it's muskets.
Can you help me even short, son? For the gun, oh? Holding the light high. Wow, it's sunny. Wait, son. You sitting there? Ah, it's a tiny chair. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, let's go, Nanak. No, don't push it. Let's go. So we are inside here. Aww, a very nice castle. Like castle chair. So this is Calcian Castle. Rifles. What? Yeah, I know, it's all guns. I told you. So many guns. Guns and swords, son. Okay, okay. Plus, the crocodile upside down. Yeah. Have a look for the Lego, okay? Rifles. So many rifles. 5 seconds will do, David. 5 seconds. Oh, sige, 30 seconds. Wow. 30 seconds, ha? An old boat. Nap. Wow, it's a small boat, no? Because it's in the glass, it's very hard to take video. Wow. Rifles and swords and rifles. Later I'll help you.